Rajkumar Rao is all set to get married to his girlfriend Patralekha, and their engagement pictures are making the rounds everywhere. While most celebrities make a big fuss about their wedding and relationships, the Newton actor always chose to keep it low. So, not many know how these two new age actors fell in love. So, if you want to know how Rajkumar Rao and Patralekha met and fell head over heels in love with each other, then make sure you watch this video till the end. But before that, if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any Bollywood related updates from us. Patralekha saw Rajkumar first when she watched him in the film Love, Sex or Dhokha. She said in an interview that she thought Rajkumar was like the weird man he played in the film in real life as well. On the other hand, Rajkumar had a very different perception about Patralekha when he saw her first. He saw Patralekha in a commercial ad for the first time and thought, I am going to marry her. So adorable. The two met in real life for the first time when they got cast for the film City Lights, and that's when the magic happened. Patralekha confessed in an interview that the kind of passion Rajkumar had for films was so powerful that she started respecting him the most after seeing him work. She said, We spoke about our work, love for cinema, passions. I saw him through his struggles, never giving up. How could we not fall for each other? While the three actors' passion for work and cinema made Patralekha fall for him, his gestures as a boyfriend made their relationship go strong over the years. Spilling some secrets about these cute gestures, Patralekha said that Rajkumar had often gone out of his way for her. She also established her statement with an example, saying, Once he was running late to see me, so he stopped the cab near the airport and ran all the way to Juhu. That's not all. The Shaadi Mein Zaroor Aana actor also surprised his bae with her favorite bag, which was ridiculously expensive according to Patralekha, even when he was earning very low. And when it got stolen years later in London, she called him sobbing and Raj tried to calm her down. She said in an interview that for me, the bag was all about the memories. He had bought it for me when he didn't have much. That meant so much to me. However, Raj couldn't let her real-life Simran stay unhappy for long. So when she returned to her hotel, the exact same bag was waiting for her. Patralekha admitted that these little things make me realize how lucky I am to have him. Not only the two felt grateful to have each other, even Rajkumar's mother had the same feeling about them. After she met Patralekha, she told Raj, I have a feeling she's the last one I am meeting. And she was right. They have been together for over 10 years now. Patralekha told an interviewer that we wouldn't officially go on dates, but we would go for long drives, movies, or even sit at home and eat our hearts out. We would even accompany each other for auditions, silently seeping in support. It's all we needed, that understanding. And now that both of them understand how lucky they are to have each other, they thought of waiting no longer to seal the deal with a wedding. So on 13th November 2021, Rajkumar and Patralekha both went down on their knees to propose to each other, asking the most awaited question, Will you marry me? With an yes as the answer and exchanging rings, the two got engaged. With this engagement, their wedding functions have already started and soon their wedding pictures will be out and going viral. So let us know in the comments which aspect of Rajkumar and Patralekha love story did you find to be most adorable. And for now, if you liked this video, then hit the like button, share it and subscribe to our channel Bollywood Bug.